Finally got it. Hyper TX3. Let's just do a quick unboxing of this. So, first thing you need to do is actually cut the little top, and there should be, you just pop it open like this with your thumb, and it should just fall right apart. There you go. Like so. And there you go. Falls like that. And this is actually CPU cooler, so I'm just going to place that right there. Right here is the box with accessories, so this is going to be pretty hard to get out. There you go. Okay, I'm just going to throw this piece of shit down there. Okay, this thing is the more important part. Let me just get my unboxing knife and cut this. Alright, so I'm going to have to do this with two hands, guys. Hold on. There you go. Okay, hold on. Let me just put my knife away. Okay, so there you go. Got that open. In the accessories box, you'll find a manual right on top. So, fuck, it's a big ass manual. Caution, whatever in behind. You get your right here is your cooling thermal paste. You don't really need that. I'm using the aftermarket Arctic Silver 5, so my thing's gonna run Arctic cooled. Alright, here is what I need. Mine is the AMD socket, so I'm gonna need the AMD little lift thing, whatever it's called, to hatch it on there, because AMD is pretty easy to put on. So there you go. So now I'm gonna install it in my actual PC. Remove this thing right here. There you go. So I'm gonna install this on my thing, on my PC. Looks really big, guys. It's pretty big. Yeah, so let's get to installing this beast. First step of removing the actual stock one is unplugging your PC first, of course. Then taking the pin off. This is for AMD installation only. So, and then you should just pop it right off. And there's your thermal paste. What the hell? Is that a bug? Guys, I think that's a bug right there. Look at that. The hell? Alright, yeah, so there's your thermal paste, and then you got your little stock shit down there. I'm just gonna remove that, and there you go. So now I got the stock CPU cooler out. Now what you need to do is actually clean the CPU. Make sure it's completely clean with at least 50% alcohol. 99 is recommended, but I just use 50 because that's all I got right now. So I'm just gonna get to that. So literally, after about 30 minutes I got it on. Literally 30 minutes. Couldn't get it on this way, so I had to do it this way. It's pretty hard to put on, so let's just boot it up and see how quiet it is. Okay guys, so there's immediate difference. I'm watching a tech source time-lapse build. Tech source, you know, he makes some good content, but his video right now is playing 1440p, which is, you know, takes a pretty powerful computer to run that, because, you know, most computers just start lagging. But as you can see, I'm losing 0 frames right now. It doesn't matter about the Wi-Fi, it just matters about the computer. So drop frames, I'm dropping 0 frames, and there you go. My computer is running at 23 degrees Celsius, 22. Before it was running at least like 50, 60 degrees, which was crazy. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. Let me just show you how it sounds right now. I don't even know if you guys could hear that, but let me put the side panel back on, and then you could hear it better. So there you go. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but let me go in the back. The main noise is coming from actually my my other cooler, which is a 120 millimeter exhaust fan. That's where the volume's coming out of. I'm gonna make that into silent from the BIOS, but looks pretty good, guys. Honestly, just hit me a comment, just telling me if you guys have any problems with the TX3. I'll, you know, troubleshoot that. I'll just tell you guys how to you know, make sure you don't go through what I went through. I spent 30 minutes trying to do this, honestly, and it took a long time. So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.